How to make $1,000 fast legally on the ClickBank and a two-pilot money-making system, which will be revealed in this video. So what I want from you to watch the video to the very end to do not miss any single part of the strategy, because we are going to combine multiple websites together and to maximize the result from that, and using this free and 100% strategy that you can do it and a two-pilot system. Once you set up the system, then it will work for you all the time, and you can just sit and relax for that. So stay tuned to the very end of this video, and I'm going to share with you step by step that how exactly you can earn money from this specific strategy. Whether you are using the DJ Store 24 or you are using the ClickBank, JVZoo or various else, you can still use and you can make a huge amount of money from that right here. So the first step for us will be that we can simply and easily sign up for the network that we are promoting the products from that. So whether you're using the ClickBank, you need to sign up for the ClickBank, or if you're using the Digistore 24, you need to click on the register button right here, and then you need to sign up and answer a couple of the questions, and you're good to go with that. Once you sign up successfully, then you can simply log into your account right here on the ClickBank or Digistore 24. It depends on you right here. So once you sign up, then you log into your account, then go to the marketplace right here, and you can simply see here different products available right here. But we can simply go directly to the main categories on the left side right here, and we can simply choose the e-business and e-marketing category that we can simply promote the products from that. Once you click on that, then you will be visited to this page right here that will be a complete e-business and e-marketing category right here, and we can simply choose the best product which pay us more money right here, and the gravity is also a little bit good that other people are promoting, means it is a trusted product that we can simply promote, and we can also make money from that right here. Basically we will promote in this product in this tutorial for Virtual Income 365, which is a brand new product. Actually, it's not a brand since a long time. It is on the ClickBank, but still it is trending, and they have the gravity of 73%, which other people are promoting. And they have the great part is there that they have recurring commission every single month when people upgrade, so we can earn money from that. And the coolest part is here that they have $360 almost as a first sale, and they have the recurring commission from the single person that they sign up through our link right here. So how we can earn this money from this single person? So the first step is that we can simply see here the sales page, that how it looks, and then we can move and jump into the second step, or the second link actually, that we can see here what they have for us to promote this offer for free. So the first step is that we have the sales page right here. As you can simply see here, this is a free sales page. If we redirect someone, so they will just come to this page right here, and they can simply watch this free video, and they can add the first name and their best email right here, and they're good to go with that. And if we just go to the affiliate tools area right here, this is the affiliate tools area that they have provided us different email swipe right here that we can simply promote, and different testimonials that we can simply use, and different banners right here, pictures, images, each and everything for the free promotion that we can simply use it right here. So what we need in this tutorial right here is the email swipe, that we can simply grab one or two email swipes from here, and we can start promoting right here very easily. For example, this is the email swipe. I like that, so I need to just promote this right here. So let me make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so this will be the email swipe that we can use in today's tutorial. So once you set up this, the next step will be that we can simply go to your Gmail account if you have one, but if you don't have, you need to sign up for a free account right here. And you just need to go to the setting option right here, click on that, then you will be visited this page right here, and you can simply scroll down almost to the bottom right here, and you can simply see a vacation responder right here. So try your best to make it on right here before, and usually it will be off, so you can just click on the on, and then you will have the option as a title description right here. So for the title purpose, you just need to go to this page right here. So for example, this will be the title. For example, let me just do it. Okay, let me just copy this from here, and I can simply go and paste it in the title section. and then I can simply go back right here, and then I can simply just copy this email swap, complete email swap. I can simply just copy from here, and I can simply just go back right here and just paste it right here. So once I pasted it right here, I can simply edit a little bit. For example, uh, you can simply leave it like this, and then this will be a to responding email that we can simply send to people. Here is the link that we can simply just add it 3 times or 2 times in an email right here. So for that purpose, we can simply just see here, or we can simply add a call to action button. For example, access here. Okay, we can simply tell people, and we can add our link right here. So for the purpose of link, we just need to go to the page right here and click on the promote button and copy the complete link from here. Okay, so once we copy the link here, for example, this is the link, I simply just copy that, and then we can simply just go to a URL shortener website such as bit.ly or TinyURL or something like that. Just click on that, paste the link, click the create button right here, and that would be shortened the link. You can simply just copy that link and then just come back right here to the email, and then simply paste it right here. So we can simply just copy this from here, and we can simply just paste it right here again. Okay, oops, we can simply paste it right here. Okay, and we can add our name right here, for example, and at the bottom we can also add it right here again. Okay, so try your best to just make it bold one if you want right here. Okay, so if you just make it bold, it will be great and it will looks awesome, and that will be sent out from others links right here. Okay, so make sure that you bold it right here, because people can get attention into that. Once you do that, once you set up this, then you can simply just click on the save changes. So whenever people just send you the email, this auto responding message will just go to them, and they can reply into that right here, and they can simply see that. Okay, so once you set up that, the next step for us will be that we can simply just go to a social media accounts or website or platform such as Quora.com. Quora is one of the best and coolest website, and more than 700 plus million people every single month is visiting Quora for different questions and answers, and looking for a possible way to make money online, or any requirements that they are having, they are fulfilling on this website right here. So for that purpose, we are also using Quora.com, which is a free platform right here that we can simply use. At the top, we can simply just type, for example, make money online, or what is the best way to make money online, or something like that. So there are a couple of types of question and make money online niche or affiliate marketing or something like that. We can simply type and search that. Once we search that, we will have this complete and different questions right here, multiple questions that people have asked right here, and many people answer and many people did not answer. So it will be a good opportunity that we filter by the fast day or fast hour, and then we search, and the sooner the people that just ask the question, the sooner we answer to them. So it will be a great opportunity for us. For example, how can I earn money online without investment? Number one best way to make money online. What is the best way to start making money online with affiliate marketing? So we can simply just open one of these right here. So once we open right here, you will have the option for the answer, and you just need to click on the answer, and then you will have this interface right here. So for the purpose of saving your time, I just do it right here. Okay, so how you can do that? The first step will be that you can simply just go to the website, right, such as Google Translate, and you can copy the questions that people have asked. For example, what is the best way to start making money online with affiliate marketing? And you can simply type it or paste it right here. Then you can simply choose the language that you are translating, any language you want. For example, you have unlimited language right here. For any country you want, you can simply choose. For example, I choose this language. I can simply copy this from here. Even I don't know what is this mean and this Portuguese language, I can simply translate and go to another account on the Google and just paste it right here and search that. Once I search that, I have multiple answer for that, or multiple articles for that chat right here, I can simply open one of these. Once I click on the open right here, so it will be in Portuguese language, as you can simply see here. So we don't know how, what they speak about, what they talk about, and what exactly it means right here about this right here. So here we can use a simple Google trick right here again, that we can easily understand that what exactly or what does it mean right here by this post, or what they are talking about right here. So we can simply just install a free Chrome extension. We can simply just type it in the Google, for example, free Google Translate Chrome extension. So that way it can help us to reduce our time and quickly translate right here. I have already installed that. Let me show you right here. This will be the icon, Google Translate. You can simply install to your Chrome. And once you install right here, then you can simply just click on that. Once you click on that, you will have the option translate this page, and you can simply just click on that. Wait for a couple of seconds and it will translate all into English language. For that purpose, you just need to copy and paste all this. So it is a brand new article like you have written. You simply just copy the whole article from here one by one, or all. So once you just copy that, then you can simply paste it. I have already pasted right here. For example, for you, you can simply paste it right here, and make sure that there are couple of links inside of each article. So select the link, for example, like this, select this, and here you will have the option for the link. You just need to click on the link and remove the link from that, okay, because those are others links and other language links. You just need to remove them. Once you remove all the links and you pasted all the things, and your article is, and your answer is ready for posting, you need to add also the images. I have a simple images I added. I just simply go to Google and just type, for example, affiliate marketing. I have found different images. I downloaded them and then I back re-uploaded to this website or this page right here. So once you are done with each and everything right here, at the bottom you can give a call to action button, something like this right here. So contact us via email at example@gmail.com. Whatever your email address is there, so you can simply just paste your email address right here. And then people who are interested in make money online or affiliate marketing, they can easily read your article or your answer, and they can simply copy your email and go to inbox and send you your email that I'm interested what is the best solution or what is the best way to make money online on a AUTOPILOT system. So whenever they send you the email, so here and our autoresponder message will just directly just reply to them, okay? And they will see this page. This will be the title, and here will be the description, and here will be your clickable link that people can easily click on that. And then once they click on that, they will be redirected to this page right here, because that will be a complete solution for them to make money online. And this will be a free video that they can simply watch, and that is a fully satisfying video. Then they can simply add the first name right here, email address right here, and they're good to go with that. Whenever they take action on the method, we are earning money from that. So that is a complete AUTOPILOT system that I was about to share with you in today's video. Once you set up this right here, then you can simply click on the post. Your post will be available like this one, and it will be visible to everybody right here on this platform. And you can simply use different keywords, such as make money online, affiliate marketing, but it's already mentioned in this post right here. So what you need to do, you can simply couple up post you need to do on this platform. So the more posts you have created, the more money you will get, and the more engagement on this platform you will have. And that once you post, so it is automatically posted, and that post will be remain forever right here. Whenever people send the email, so this autoresponder will just give a reply. It doesn't matter when or what time. For example, if you're sleeping, people send you the email, automatically this reply will just go to them and they can send that. So this is the best way that I was about to share with you in today's video, and you will definitely like that and you will take action on that. So the more posts you have created and the more answer you did to the more questions, So the more money you will get and the more you will be successful on this method. So if you want to have a comprehensive method step by step that you can send your affiliate links to more than 400 plus people in one click, check out the first link in the description of this video and you can learn in that autopilot system that how you can do or send one affiliate link into multiple free traffic sources at once and all an autopilot system. The first link will be in the description and you can just use and get benefit from that. So hope you like the method and you are interested with that. If you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button as an appreciation for this video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.